In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the satellite view in Google Maps. So right now we can see that we are in the normal view, but let's say that we want to enable the satellite view just like it's shown on the Google Earth. What you can do is just click on this multi squares and switch from default view to satellite view. And let's say after that, we should be able to view it like a satellite. So let's say that you want to zoom it into any particular location. And this is basically a bird's eye view of the satellite version. So let's say if I want to zoom in into a particular location, you can see the roads, you can see this is how it looks like for all the specific areas. So if we want to move to, let's say, any specific area where there are houses and streets and all that, you can get a better view like that. And basically the benefit of this is it will show you a 3D view of all the area. So as you can see right here, we get a complete 3D view. And if you have a 3D view, you want to enable that, instead of traffic, just click on this double squares again, and you can enable the 3D view. And if it has a 3D view, it will show up that. Otherwise, it will switch to default like you can see. You can also try enabling different features like air quality and all. So these are the options that you can play with in the satellite view in Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.